Okay, here we go. That handsome puppy is Peanut. Hello, Peanut. Puppy, puppy, puppy. There we are. Puppy, 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 puppy. Good boy. Good boy. You sat still for a minute. Of course, this is video. Oh, okay. All right, who do we got in the tunnel now? Okay, that's Woodstock coming out of the tunnel. There he is. There he is. Puppy, 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 puppy. Yeah. And, oh, I have to get up because I'm not getting anything but the floor right now. Okay, that's Charlie jumping into the camera. Here's Linus. Hi, Linus. Stop it, Caitlin, please. Good boy, Linus. Handsome. Oh, and there's Sally. Hi, puppy, puppy, Sally. Hey, puppy, puppy. Puppy, 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 puppy. Hi, honey. Oh, you're a cutie. Okay, here we go. And okay, so you're supposed to get up from the end, not the middle. Okay, Linus with the white collar, and Charlie chewing on the teeter-totter. There's Woodstock. That's Woodstock. That's Peanut right there. He's catching up. He's not such a peanut anymore. Playing King of the Box Mountain. Okay. So let's see. Whoa! Charlie. Oh, good try there, Charlie. This is better. Let's see. Oh, here we have... That's Peanut again. Stop it, Caitlin. I was hoping that Snoopy was going to make an appearance. Snoopy, there he comes. Charge! Snoop, where'd you go? There he is. Gonna play King of the Box, Snoopy? That's Snoopy. And Linus to the right. Snoopy chewing on the box. Sally carrying her toy around. I think Sally might be a retriever. She likes to carry toys. Hi, Sally. Sally. Where is it? Nah, don't feel like it. Okay. Oops. Alright, I think we got everybody but Lucy, who's chilling out in the X-Pen. Of course, I'm looking at Lucy for myself. But we shall see. Nothing is written in stone yet about these puppies. They're way too young. Charlie, Linus, Snoopy. Oh, look at you. Woodstock. Peanut. Hello. Okay, let's see. And okay, wow, they're winding down again. They've been out for about half an hour, actually. That's feeding the other puppies. Okay, so that is the Skyler puppies, 5 weeks old.